I will talk about the region, because I'm not directly in the industry, but I come from Bombay, India, and I'm associated with the Indian Institute of Technology. But I know I've been consulting many industries, and I know that it composites in India is on a very high growth path. I know many companies, big companies now who have entered into composites. Like now, even the carbon fiber is to be manufactured in India, and fiberglass is used as a composite material for reinforcing material for composite by many big and small industries for various applications in railroads, in aircrafts, and in boats and industries like that, and also for chemical industries. It has been being used for quite some time. You see, the per capita consumption of FRPs in India is quite low. So with a 1 billion population, so it is inevitable that it grows a lot. It has a lot to grow. So I see a great future for FRP industry, composite industry in India. Actually, I have been working with the composite mission for the last 10 years. When composite mission program, advanced composite mission program was launched by Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, and they invited me to contribute to the development of composite materials in India. So a number of projects we did with them, which included work for the railways, which included work for the tourism industry for creating luxury houseboats for Kerala tourism, and also the interior of railway coaches, by which a lot of weight could be reduced. And one of the big problems that railways was the corrosion, and particularly under the toilet WC areas, which we completely eliminated by introducing composite WC cabins, and which were monocoque. It removed a lot of steel material, with structural material, because we substituted steel structure with composite. In the process, weight was reduced, and railways got confidence in the work and in composite materials. They asked us to design the interior of the sleeper coach, and which we did. It was also in a way that it was self-supporting modules, which provided the strength all the way through, and because of the design and the construction, it was a monocoque body, which again reduced a lot of structural steel members from the coaches, thereby reducing the weight, increasing the efficiencies, and reducing the consumption of diesel and petrol. Well, JEC has really, scouted around, for the people who could come and speak over here, and I happen to be one of them. They really try to find out, although I'm not, you can say, from the composite industry per se, but they really found out the people who have been working in composites in India, particularly because India is a partner, kind of a partner country in this exhibition. So I feel quite happy to be here and to contribute to the JEC conference as a moderator and as a speaker to the conference. JEC, I think, it is a publication company. It is doing great service for the composite industry. It is disseminating the information that is required by the composite industry, and many of our industry, they subscribe to the JEC and attend. Like I've seen that they have been attending these shows and conferences regularly. I think it's time for JEC to come to India also and have a show. I'm sure that there will be big participation from Indian industry for this kind of a show. I think they continue to do good work. That's it. Composite, as I said in the conference, it's a designer material. And myself being a designer, I see a great potential for composite as a material, because it can be tailored to any situation. It can be tailored to give any kind of properties. So I think it is a flexible material. It has a lot of good properties, which can be used to the fullest advantage. Only thing is that it has to be judiciously used. One should not be fanatic about composites. It can be mixed with other materials, and it can give much higher value to the material itself. For example, we have shown some case studies in which we have used composite, which is predominantly composite, but we have also used other materials to give a greater value to the product. Well, I don't know, because I cannot compare it, because I was not here last time or year before. But I think it has been a great show. And the papers and the conference were quite high quality, I must say, and they gave a lot of information in this. And the show also has been good. I think right now there is a good amount of people going around. But I wish it was a little bigger show, yes. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so because it has been a good experience. So maybe I'll come back next year. Maybe. Yes.